Anor Dompreh ekojina Akokoa ase. Se president akoto plane and 9 wone ne yiri dware mu ewo soro. Yentie no.
PBC for cratch okay. Awon boni any time papa was here so onu ni mampeni odi kan. PBC for to Akokoa ewie musume ba ku ni ensa enai en son ontia PBC for ika. I just say omu diewu nipa no mu kum no no ye twa wo mu kra ne se nansen tomati okuwa kratam obae ono de ope so dodo no ho owiem wo aeroplane wato aeroplane ba ku mienu miensa enan ba ku kra de ese yetimi dware wo mu ne yire ne busuafo mu dware wo plane mu owiem
ade a omde ama contract na enye meduru e o man ni plane na omoto no o se president akoto plane aba o dware wodwiem sa entrosi honorable member of parliament maminyi honorable ni mpomfiro a member of parliament e chantro in cameras e chantro che Ghana nyina chantro mawiase nyina hwede so o chantro which onu anim se ade a wo ka no enye nokre. I expect a sadia unko be a pushy crama. We good parliament anymore sinti. Ki a friend privileges committee cry. For spewing these lies as a member of parliament. Jeff for playing the Enetosumame. Contract agreement. And you know said that jet now or you no. And then a personal jet. So wakoto plane and 9. And the 4 helicopters and presidential jet no ye lady before parliament say oma sign contractor omuko pato by your minor edia ba wo se mampani na akoto plane na wo dem e dware wo soro. This false claim, this lies as a member of parliament Anor Dompreh say Jesus no a won mo wo Ghana ha no e mabunu ni ade no se mu lusu mabunu no bebre. Global Info Analytics ya betu dwa se MPP lusu mabunu bebre omu lusu members especially even Akan dominated regions ni nyina Akan regions no mu lusu members unim di entia this era no ye bra yemfa atro ewini power is about facts and research asa because we try say ya Jay-Z no sa youth no obekwa ko bie internet obekan obehu se papa o ye trofo on kanokre efiri wo ko no onfa buo bia ma obiem because a person who lies doesn't deserve respect it will be twe ne ho afiri party nim